celebrate the strength, resilience, and achievements of women all over the world.
I'm a girl. I'm not a burden to bear. It's a promise of change. Use my asset and a being to care. I'm a girl. I'm not a delicate flower to be sheltered. Strength, destined to grow tall and fly feathered. The girl child in India and across the world is often met with mixed emotions. While she brings joy, she is still shackled by outdated traditions and biases. From the very start, girls face rejections and restrictions. In our society, people seek Lakshmi in the form of wealth, not in the form of a daughter.
But a daughter is more than the roles imposed on her. She is not the shadow passing by. She is the sun that shines relentlessly through every season. A daughter is not a dream of tomorrow. She is the destiny of new world, breaking through centuries of silence.
Her child is not just a daughter. She is a future leader, a warrior, a dreamer, and a force of change. She carries immense potential, not defined by the limitations of gender, but by the vastness of her dreams. Yet, her journey is not without struggle. She faces the battle for equal access to education, the fight against child marriage, and the weight of societal expectations. The tide is turning.
More and more girls are standing tall, claiming the right to education, equal opportunities, and the chance to make their voices heard. Girls are not just waiting for the change, they are creating it. A girl child is not a merely promise of tomorrow.
She is the change today, a light breaking through the barriers of yesterday to illuminate a brighter, fairer world. Let's support and uplift every girl's education.
Let's encourage and motivate every girl so that she can fulfill her dreams.
A girl can fulfill all her dreams and wishes if she has willpower and the right support. Thank you.
Educate a girl to be independent. With education, she'll right every wrong. Her potential is endless, her future bright. Hearts to dreams untold, empowered girls, their stories unfold.
Every girl should know that education is more than facts and figures. It's the key to unlock a future full of potential. In India, women are breaking barriers and gaining their rightful place in the society. Here's to the power of education.
Educating a girl is not just an asset in her, but in the nation as a whole. When girls are educated, they break the cycle of poverty, raise healthier families, and contribute to the economy.
However, we still face challenges. In many areas, girls face barriers like poverty, early marriages, and safety concerns that prevent them from going to school.
But we must continue working together to ensure every girl, no matter her background, has access to education.
Educating girls will empower them to lead, innovate, and create a better future for all.
A future bright for every girl.
Education is the key to unfurl.
With every lesson, a world of hope.
She'll rise above, she'll learn to cope.
Together, let's help our soar.
Opening doors forever and more.
Empowered girls will lead the way.
Building a brighter, better day.
Let's stand together and ensure every girl has the opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, only education is the foundation of progress. And when we educate girls, we empower entire nations. Every girl deserves the chance to succeed.
And with our collective efforts, we can make that a reality.
In the hands of an educated girl lies the power to transform society. Just as Saraswati Mata transformed darkness into light with her divine wisdom.
An angel I was, my dear dad, when you were with me. But But who knew it would all change? Who knew I wasn't going to be your little princess anymore? An angel I was, my dear mom, when you were with me. My little warrior, my little queen, you would say. But didn't you realize that the man you betrothed me to was in my knight in a shining armor? When she married a stranger, sent away like a gift, traded like currency. Not a gift, but a slave in another country. Will they ever understand the torments of her newfound family members or the pain caused by her partner who is supposed to protect her? Demands so vast, unimaginable. How much longer must she bear this weight? How long until someone hears her silent cries? It's not only her pain, it's also the pain of the parents who had sent her away. Is marriage a trade exchange, not a bond between two families? Oh, my dear dad, it breaks my heart, it shatters my soul. She stayed silent, endured the pain, but not for too long. She should stand up, shout to let her voice be heard, not as a little girl afraid of the world, but as a girl who fought, a girl who won. Yes, it will be tough, but she can achieve her dreams. Marriage is not her destiny. Let's break through every limit and every barrier. Every challenge is a step towards the future she'll create. With belief and with effort, she can achieve anything. This is her moment, and she will rise, stronger than ever, unbeatable in the pursuit of greatness. Let's give her wings to fly. She's unstoppable forever.
I'm a girl who's afraid to go out, who's afraid to shout out.
Don't know when I have changed from being a free bird to being caged.
Strange to see me so happy in the pictures, smiling and giggling for every little thing.
All my emotions in a mixture. Child me was at a different swing.
There we go again, into a world that's cruel and brutal. Not everyone is nice, not everyone is evil, but most of them are cruel. As a child, I saw only beauty and laughter, but now I see the reality where girls are being abused and mistreated.
I saw a sister mistreated, a mother enduring hardship, and a wife struggling with depression. I fear that one day I might become one of them. My parents have told me not to be afraid and face the hardships. But how can I, when I fear those night walks, those creepy looks, and those unsettling touches?
Now that I've known the cruelty in this world, I see the reality.
The voices harsh on me built walls around me.
The hands that crawled on me built fear inside me.
Parents have given me the freedom to dream high, but the society has always made me cry.
I sometimes question myself, am I a girl or a doll on the shelf?
This has been happening for centuries. When will the world change into a place where we are safe? Draupadi had Krishna.
But who do we have?
To whom will we pray for help?
I believe it should be us to protect ourselves, to fight for ourselves, and to face the trouble. Millions of women and girls face abuse, often underreported due to social stigma and lack of legal protections. Let us together bring the change to ensure a safer world for all women. Thank you.
Dear mother, I look for a listening ear in a rush of busy spear.
Couldn't help myself but just be trapped in a box of fear.
Seeking comfort in a stranger's chat, I turn online from an engaged world.
Scrolling the screen day and night, shared my thoughts and insights.
Every time, everywhere, every minute, it goes on. From developing the technology and believing that it can change lives.
Remember, in the heart of every child, time spent with a parent is the most cherishing gift. Is this the future we dreamt of?
Where we're more connected but still feel like we're alone.
Saw messages with words unkind, laughed at my secrets which shattered my mind.
Faced bullying with a dreadful trauma while people spotted it as the latest drama.
Oh mother, I needed your shoulder by my side,
Searching for reasons to live.
holding back my tears alive.
Else see accidents happening around but can feel a broken piece of heart which bears along.
Cyberbullying is a trauma without a face.
where society makes us cry in silence. The cruelty is not seen here, but felt through messages, posts, insults, and the fun that humiliates us.
People see it as a show that entertains them. When bullying happens online, it can feel as if you're being attacked everywhere. Even inside your own home, it can seem like there's no escape.
Cyberbullying and its effects can last a long time and affect a person in many ways, mentally, emotionally, and physically.
I know how hard it is, but let's show people how strong we are. Yes, we can overcome it. It's in our hands, and let's do it.
I don't need a mic.
Mother she became, crushing down all her dreams.
Ready to walk in the flames which have burnt all her beams.
Her mother's journey is one of strength and sacrifice. She begins as a leader with her own strength and ambition.
But when she becomes a mother, her dreams often take a backseat. She carries the blame, the burden, and the guilt while giving nothing but happiness to her children, parents, relatives, and in laws. But is she given enough credit for that?
In this era of technology and progress, is a housewife still not someone truly significant? Isn't she stereotyped, criticized enough?
Now a mother, kind and caring.
But once was warrior, brave and daring.
Not that now she isn't. She is but a little different.
Warrior protecting us, warrior living for us,
Warrior for us.
A mother's role is often overlooked. She's the heart of the family, the one who keeps everything in place even when things get tough. She may not wear a cape, but her strength is very powerful.
Every day she faces challenges and keeps going on without asking anything in return. The sacrifices she makes for her children to build a better future.
As we look ahead in a world full of struggles,
Let us remember a mother's strength is something special.
and her love will always guide us.
In her we find the hope and courage we need.
A mother's love is the purest form of devotion, asking for nothing but giving everything she can. She is the foundation of our family, shaping us with her love, wisdom, and grace.
She's the silent strength behind every success and comfort behind every fear. Her love is the only thing that grows stronger when everything fades.
We honor the woman who brings spirit through peace and harmony.
Mike. We acknowledge the women who give love, life, care, and support when we need.
We salute the women who dedicate themselves for development and flourishing of everything around them.
We salute to the women who acknowledge us with care for everyone.
We recognize the women who spend their time and energy to help those in need.
We honor the woman whose unwavering dedication is very important to us.
We recognize the women who bring spirit through peace and harmony. We pay tribute to the women who inspire and educate us with their wisdom. We recognize the woman who brings peace through harmony.
With every step she takes, she builds a state of resilience and strength. Today and always, we honor those women of India.
Wow, that was motivational, inspirational, and marvelous. Please give them a huge round of applause.